and today I'm going to make a quick and easy recipe using cinnamon sticks. This recipe comes in really handy if you're making beverages or if you're making desserts. We'll be making cinnamon syrup. So let's go over the ingredients. We have 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar, and 4 cinnamon sticks. This recipe is really easy. We're going to add the sugar, then we'll add the water, or you can add the water first and then the sugar, it doesn't matter. We're going to add our cinnamon sticks and put it on to boil. Now we'll allow it to boil. Our cinnamon syrup has been boiling for about 5 minutes and it smells so good. It completely lights up the kitchen. Now we're going to turn it down to a low flame and allow it to simmer for about 10 minutes. Quick and easy. Our cinnamon syrup is done. We'll allow it to cool and then it is ready to add additional flavor to your beverages and desserts. Our cinnamon syrup is done. It's still a little hot, so as it cools, it becomes thicker. But it smells so fragrant. This will really add a pizzazz to your beverages, your desserts, and even your cereals. Cinnamon syrup. Now you need to try it. If you have enjoyed this cinnamon syrup recipe, I want you to look over here, see some of my other recipes, and once you've watched them all, click the button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.